Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add call to action on TikTok. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here at TikTok, click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, adding a call to action on TikTok is essential for engaging your audience and driving specific actions, because a well-crafted CTA or call to action prompts viewers to engage with their content by liking, commenting, or sharing your video. For example, you can ask viewers to like and follow for more content like this. And that means encouraging viewers to follow your account is a common CTA on TikTok. You might say something like, follow for daily tips and tricks, and if you have more questions, just follow us on Andy Guide YouTube. Alright, but how do we do it? I suggest you open the TikTok on your mobile app, because that's going to be a lot easier for us. Okay, so once I'm here on my mobile device, I'm going to click on the plus button in the middle at the bottom. When I click on it, you can upload or record a video or a photo, but for now I'm going to take a picture. Alright. Now, once you are on your photo or video added, click on the text right here, because this is where this is the part that we are going to basically add a call to action. Now, on the stickers option, search for the arrow. Now, I'm gonna choose something like this one, maybe like the hand arrow. Okay. Now, once you do that, I'm gonna put a text here. Follow Andy Guide on YouTube, right? After clicking done, I'm gonna edit that again. Okay, clicking done, all I have to do is just press on the check button and you're good to go. Everyone will see your video and you have now the call to action added on one of your TikTok videos or photos, right? Now, by encouraging viewers to join a community or connect with like-minded individuals, it can foster engagement and loyalty. Like, join our TikTok family by hitting that follow button. And the key to a successful CTA on TikTok is to make it clear, concise, and compelling. Keep it aligned with your video's theme and always provide value to your audience. Alright? Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.